Hi, welcome to this video. To use keyframe animation for smooth transitions in CapCut, go ahead and place your clip on the timeline, right? By uploading, of course, your video. Now, set a starting keyframe with the diamond icon. So I'm gonna click this clip. I'm gonna hit the diamond icon here at the very top, right? Now you're gonna see red diamond, right? So all I gotta do now is just move away until the diamond turns white. That way I can now make my changes, right? I can just go ahead and zoom in, right? And a new diamond shaped icon will appear. That means that you can now make that transition, or that transition has been completed. So I'm gonna play the video now so you can see.
You can't have an easy life.
Right? And again, you can click the clip on the timeline and just go back, and a new diamond shaped icon will appear. So I'm gonna play it again.
You can't have an easy life in a great character.
Basically, that's it. CapCut automatically adds the next frame and blends the motion between them. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.